hope someday I'll make it out of there, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one near what I feel like.